Hi everybody, welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay guys, we're doing another fake topper for our donut today. And without further ado, let me explain what one it's going to be. Okay, so we've got our fake donut, which is air dry clay that we made earlier. And I've also got some of these. Now I thought if I put some cream, fake cream on the top, and I sprinkled these on, that would look like sprinkles. Okay. Now, these are made out of polymer clay. Now, if you'd like to know how to make these, let me know in the comments below and I will show you all. You can buy them, but you can make them a lot cheaper yourself. And it's fairly easy to do that. Okay. So, let me show you what we're going to do. Now, if you watched any of my other tutorials, you may have seen the one where I used this, which is basically fake cream. Now this is acrylic sealant, and here it is here. Okay, and it looks like fake cream. Now, on that particular tutorial, I showed you how I got my cream and I got my fake donut and I pushed it down, give it a little turn, and then pulled it off. Now, I did that, but I was left with this. So I want to use this up. So all I've done is just stir this up a little bit, and because I'm in a hot environment, it's going off slightly. So I've got my stick, and all I'm going to basically do is use my stick and spread it, I'll show you, on, so it looks like whipped cream. Okay, and like I've said, I've done this with another tutorial, and it looked amazing. And so I'm going to do the same with this one and put loads on so it really looks like a really thick, creamy topping. And then I'm going to sprinkle my sprinkles on it, which are fake polymer clay sprinkles. Okay, but really they'd be sugar sprinkles in real life. So all you need to do is go around and look at the moment how fantastic this is looking already, and try and get it around the sides and into the middle. Okay, just like so. Now, if anyone bought this one to eat for real, they'd be really happy because of the amount of cream that's going on here. You'd be very happy to receive such a luxury donut. Well, I would be anyway. And I just love the donuts. Do you know what I mean, what I'm saying? You do, that's great. Okay. And like I said before, now if you want loads of volume with this cream, you would need to use a slightly different technique. But because we don't need it that high, and plus I'm in a hot environment and it's slightly going off anyway, it's keeping its shape. So it's working in our favour because it's going off already. Okay, hopefully that all made sense. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions for me. And so I'm just want to use all this up. So I'm just going to keep going around. And I just noticed a bit missing in the middle there. So keep doing that until you've used all your fake cream up. Oh, this is making me hungry making this, guys. I need a donut to eat. A real one. Okay, nearly there, guys. Then we're going to put our sprinkles on. So a lot of my tutorials on fake donut toppings are quite quick. So check them out, guys, when you get a minute, because these look amazing on the wall. And I'm just in the process of putting all mine on the wall, and I will show you guys what they look like actually on the wall. Okay, we're nearly there. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to pop that to one side and put that there. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look like a luxury? You'd be happy to receive this donut, wouldn't you, guys, eh? I know you would. Okay, so I'm happy with that, so I'm going to leave that like that. Now I'm going to use my sprinkles, okay, that I made earlier. And like I say, if you want to know how to make these out of polymer clay, let me know in the comments below. And all you do is sprinkle them liberally all over your luxury topper. And then what I'm going to do is, because we've got some little gaps there, but what I'm going to do is slightly push them in, because I'm going to lift this up in a minute, guys, and some will fall off, but that's not an issue. Right now, ready? Oops. Be careful, guys. Right, and then just do that. And not many fell off. And if you've noticed that, I've touched the sides. You've got to be careful. I'm going to touch the side again, so I just need to clean my hand a minute. Otherwise, it gets a bit tricky if you've got all the stuff on your hands. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'm just going to put a few more on the bits, like here. Can you see these? It's a bit more white there, with it's missed the cream. I'm just going to pop them on a bit over this side. Now, see that? Because I've got a little bit of cream stuck on my finger, it's sticking to my finger, so you just want to be aware of that. It's a tricky one. Okay, we're nearly there, guys. And doesn't this look absolutely scrummy? Okay, I'm going to leave it like that, I think. Push it down slightly. Okay, now I'm going to give it one more tip. Okay, not many have come off. And look at that, guys. Doesn't that look amazing? Good enough to eat. So we've got a fantastic donut made out of air dry clay. We've got fake cream, which is made out of acrylic sealant white. And we've got our polymer clay sprinkles, which would be sugar sprinkles, I'm assuming, in real life. And doesn't that look absolutely amazing? So there you go, guys. Another quick tutorial on how to make another luxury topper. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.